The 2024 Nissan Rogue stands out for its exceptional comfort. It not only offers a smooth ride quality, but also boasts some of the most comfortable seats you'll find in the segment. The Rogue's interior is also noteworthy, featuring attractive materials and modern technology. The top two trims come with a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Google-based software, and every model is equipped with numerous driver assistance features. Powered by a 201-horsepower turbocharged three-cylinder engine, the Rogue aims to provide a balance between spirited acceleration and efficient fuel economy. However, the results are somewhat mixed, and the two-row crossover is far from exciting to drive. Despite its somewhat uninspiring character, the 2024 Rogue will satisfy individuals seeking a hassle-free experience from an attractive compact SUV. For the 2024 model year, Nissan has given its compact SUV a makeover. The Rogue gets a more eye-catching grille, new wheels, and a revised rear bumper. Inside, there are several minor updates, but the most significant addition is the 12.3-inch touchscreen. It replaces the previous 9.0-inch unit on the SL and Platinum models and introduces a Google-based infotainment system with associated apps. Nissan Connect services now offer a 3-year trial period, a notable increase from the previous 6 months. The mid-level SV model provides the best combination of features for the price. It adds conveniences like 18-inch aluminum wheels, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, a 360-degree exterior camera system, and Nissan's ProPilot Assist semi-autonomous driving mode. Opting for the SV Premium package is recommended, as it adds a panoramic sunroof, a power-operated rear liftgate, roof rails, and faux-leather upholstery. Since 2022, all Rogues have been equipped with a turbocharged 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine, generating 201 horsepower. This three-cylinder engine is paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and front-wheel drive, with all-wheel drive available as an option. During our initial test drive of the three-cylinder Rogue, it felt more spirited than previous versions powered by a non-turbo 2.5-liter four-cylinder. However, its acceleration at our test track wasn't significantly faster than the 2021 model with the 2.5-liter four-cylinder. The turbocharged three-cylinder managed to take the Rogue to 60 miles per hour in 7.8 seconds, which was only a 0.4-second improvement over the 2021 model. On the road, the Rogue provides a comfortable ride suitable for daily commuting and road trips. Still, its unremarkable handling and cornering performance have left it without many fans among our staff. The Rogue's interior draws inspiration from both the Altima family sedan and the Sentra compact sedan. Thoughtful storage compartments, a 2-tier dashboard, and a squared-off shift knob are well-designed elements that enhance functionality and give the interior a modern touch. While cloth seats are standard, the mid-range SV model offers optional faux-leather upholstery. The upscale SL and Platinum Rogues come with genuine leather seats, with the latter featuring semi-aniline leather and quilted stitching. 3-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel are available features. Equipped with the turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, the Rogue achieves fuel efficiency ratings of up to 30 mpg in the city and 37 mpg on the highway. Opting for all-wheel drive reduces these estimates to 28 mpg in the city and 35 mpg on the highway. Furthermore, selecting the top-spec Platinum trim slightly diminishes the highway figure to 34 mpg. During our test on a 75 mph highway fuel economy route, our all-wheel drive Platinum test vehicle returned a somewhat disappointing 31 mpg. Proudly mounted on the dashboard is the touchscreen infotainment system. While an 8.0-inch unit comes standard on the Rogue, the SL and Platinum models feature a larger 12.3-inch screen with Google-based software as standard. This makes the Rogue the first Nissan model with built-in Google technology, offering numerous apps and a more streamlined interface compared to the standard system. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included as standard features, and you have the option to add high-end features such as in-dash navigation and a Bose stereo system. The SL and Platinum models come with a standard 12.3-inch reconfigurable digital gauge cluster. The Rogue also provides a generous 10.8-inch head-up display and a convenient wireless smartphone charging pad.